user login details, how to do that with a short. So I will be sharing you the screen for that. You can see that what are the steps how to create. So this IAM is a user login credential where how you have to prerequisites of this user admin to access the AWS, how we are going to do that. You can see that the Amazon link for the login account is given over here, and go to IAM services. You can see different IAM features which is listed over here. This is the Identity Access Management Service, which is used to manage access, which is used to manage the access and AWS resources. Uh, so the Identity Center is already, you can define the center where the workforce has to be and the application has to be. And the Resource Access Manager has to assess the resources through the organization, and serverless applications has to be handled by this. So here we are into the section of IAM services. So I am just clicking this IAM user services. So inside when we are logging in, this is the identity access management. Identity access management. So after clicking the IAM user, you can see that different groups of members can be joined together. Here we have created different demo, some other user login credentials over here. If you want, you can give add user and give multiple user. You can join multiple users. Why we need to join multiple users here? What is the necessary of using this access management over here with multiple users? Say for example, if you are an administration procedure prominent figure to handle multiple projects, you can assign role for different users. You can assess different roles for each and every user, and you can assign different roles for users, and you can assess different policies, uh, different providers. Different identity providers are included over there. There may be any providers who can be handling all those things, and you can assign the user roles in which each and every user prominently will be identified. So what are the details you are going to give for this IAM? One is the user login credential will be created with the identity and access management, and the user groups will be created, and the user will be assigned with different roles. So each and every roles of that users will be defined, and the policy for each and every project will have to be assigned, and you have to identify who are the providers, those who are going to be involved with this project and so on. So all these details will be given over here. You can see the assess reports which is given here, and the assess analyzer, active users, how many will be actively user over here and so on, and it will be credited over there. And coming for this next level of access providing authentication, you can click clear as an add user. You can enter the username for that. You can select the AWS access type and attach existing policy directly. Select administration access policy from its list of policies, and you can go. If you want to set permission and the policies according to the project, you can set access. Say for example, the administrator will be having all access, whereas the students will be given certain permissions to access the rules, and the higher officials will be given different policies and permissions over there. So that is happening here with this. You can see that add to user group, and if any permission has to be copied, and that can be done, or attach, we can directly attach the policies which is available over here. And the next is click on the next tags for the next review and create the users. You can see here I am creating a new user for yourself, and you can add the user for with this, and you can see the demo which is created right now by me to assign the policies and user roles. So that's all we need to do. The user is created successfully with admin access, and then the summary of this listed over here. You can see here the permission policies is given. I've enabled all the access for them, and it is a access policies which I have given over. So that's all. This is the IAM user credentiality created in the AWS environment. Hope you understand better. Any queries you can state in the comment line, and then I will be sharing all these things. Thank you so much